Hello again, and welcome to Arithmetic with Ron. Today I'm going to show you how to multiply fractions. Multiplying fractions is actually the easiest of the four operations: add, subtract, multiply, and divide. And today we're going to talk about why. When you multiply fractions, you might have seen in an algebra book something written like this: a over b times c over d equals ac over bd. What? What does that mean? Well, what that means is that simply, when you multiply fractions, you multiply the top numbers, called the numerators, and then you multiply the bottom numbers, called the denominator. And multiplying fractions is the simplest because it doesn't matter if the denominators are the same or different. Let's take a look at an example. If I take 4 divided by 7, and I multiply it by 1 divided by 3, when you multiply the numerators, 4 times 1, and you multiply the denominators. 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 3 on the denominator equals 4 over 21. And that's it. Multiply the top, multiply the bottom, and that's all you have to do, whether the denominators are the same or different. Let's look at another example. What if I have 0 divided by 4 times 3 divided by 5? We multiply the top numbers. 0 times 3 is equal to 0. And on the bottom, 4 times 5 is 20. And in a fraction, anytime you have 0 in the numerator, the answer is 0. How about another example with whole numbers? How do I multiply a whole number by a fraction? Well, the simplest way to do this is to remember that a whole number can be rewritten as itself divided by 1. Go ahead and take a calculator and type in 5 divided by 1, and you will still get 5. And now the fact that we've written it this way, it makes it easy for us to remember that we multiply across the top. 5 times 1 is 5. And on the bottom, 1 times 4 is 4. Today we learned how to multiply fractions together. Just remember, multiply across the top, multiply across the bottom, and you're good. Subscribe if you like today's video. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.